Have you ever heard of the Hot Say Hot Jodo campaign? Well, this is the latest campaign launched by the Congress Party in India, with its leaders and workers chanting slogans against the imposition of property tax and calling for the early restoration of Jammu and Kashmir statehood. Led by AICC in charge of Hot Say Hot Jodo Yatra in Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Singh Solanki and Pradesh Congress Committee, or PCC, President Vikar Rasool Wani, the yatra began from Janapur and headed to Raipur in Jammu North Assembly. Along with these two leaders, several other politicians joined the march, including Jammu and Kashmir Congress Working President Raman Bala, former ministers Mullah Ram and Yogesh Sawhney, party chief spokesperson Ravinder Sharma, and other senior leaders. During the march, the participants were able to raise their voices and concerns against property tax and anti-encroachment drives. They also had placards criticizing the BJP-led central government over its alleged failure to check inflation and provide employment to the educated youth. AICC in charge of the yatra in Jammu and Kashmir Solanki was the one who officially started the establishment of the campaign. He revealed that the Hot Say Hot Jodo Yatra Comagitational program is the second phase of the Bharat Jodo Yatra, which will come to a conclusion at the end of this month after covering various districts and constituencies of Jammu and Kashmir. The main goal of this program is to highlight various issues that the people are facing, such as the imposition of property tax, snatching of land from the poor in the name of anti-encroachment drive, unprecedented price hike, and record unemployment. On February 21, the Jammu and Kashmir administration ordered the imposition of property tax in municipal areas from April 1, drawing strong protests from people from almost all walks of life. The tax rates will be 5% of the taxable annual value for residential properties and 6% for commercial properties. Political parties have been demanding an immediate rollback of the order. PCC President Wani has gone as far as to lash out at the government over its anti-people policies. He has demanded an immediate rollback of the property tax and an end to the anti-encroachment drive, as well as the restoration of Jammu and Kashmir statehood, early assembly elections, and safety of minorities living in the valley. So, because of this Hot Say Hot Jodo campaign, citizens of Jammu and Kashmir can have more of a say in the decisions that the government is making and be sure that their voices are being heard. This campaign is an interesting step toward involving the public more in these activities, and hopefully it will lead to more positive outcomes for citizens of Jammu and Kashmir. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates from the Economic Times app as we follow this story and others as it develops.